Hello everyone. We hope that you have guessed which amazing creation of Satyajit Ray will be discussed now. This common understanding between the speaker and the listener is known as presupposition.
In this paper, we discuss and dissect one of Satyajit Ray's highly appreciated creations linguistically. In search to understand what makes him one of the greatest filmmakers of the 20th century, we have tried to list the presuppositions in Hirok Raja Deshe, the Kingdom of Diamonds, with our limited capabilities.
In his prolific career, Satyajit Ray directed 36 films spanning nearly 4 decades. His cinema received worldwide critical acclaim and won him several awards, honors, and recognition. With Hirok Raja Deshe, Ray set out to write and direct a powerful film against the over deteriorating conditions of state administration and public welfare. The film stands relevant even today. In 1968, Ray made a children's film titled Goopy Gain Bagha Bain. The film was about two village idiots, Goopy, who loved to sing, and Bagha, who loved to play the dhol. It gained commercial success and Goopy Bagha became so popular that after 12 years, Ray decided to go for the sequel. For this film, similar to the first installment, not once does Ray artificially sweeten the message to make it suitable for children. He does not consider his primary audience less intelligent than the adults. Through the film, he tries to make them aware of right and wrong and urges them to be a rebellion when the situation demands. He passes the important message that the only war worth fighting for is the one against oppression, the bloodless war, which yet dethrones the greatest enemy of common man.
Now let us discuss what is a presupposition. In the branch of linguistics, the presupposition is an implied assumption about the background of an utterance that is deemed to be true without further questioning. Speakers, not sentences, have presuppositions. For example, when we say, Aman no longer plays cricket, the presupposition is that once Aman used to play cricket. When we are discussing presuppositions, we have to discuss the presuppositional triggers. The triggers are the lexical units that cause the presupposition. Entailment is something that logically follows from what is asserted in an utterance. Sentences, not speakers, have entailment. Implication is something that is suggested in an utterance, it is not strictly implied nor expressed. We now move on to the presuppositions we found in the movie Hirok Raja Deshe.
At the beginning of the movie, we experience a scene where Goopy and Bagha, through their song, briefly explain the plot of Goopy Gain Bagha Bain so that we do not need to presuppose anything to watch or understand the movie. Therefore, even if we have not watched the first installment of the film Goopy Gain Bagha Bain, we can completely understand the second part Hirok Raja Deshe.
6 minutes into the film, we see Goopy and Bagha discuss that time does not wait for anyone. Besides, they also discuss the changes that one faces when one grows old.
আজকে যারা চারা কালকে তারা মস্ত বড় গাছ আজ যারা দেয় হামাগুড়ি কালকে তারাই বুড়ো বুড়ি
They feel that they're wasting and losing valuable time by doing nothing and not fulfilling their goal of traveling the world. Through the conversation, they make us understand that with growing age, people lose the will and power to travel to take long journeys. This is a very common assumption among most people in the world.
11 minutes into the movie, when Goopy and Bagha hear that the king has a diamond mine, Bagha almost instantly exclaims,
না জানি রাজা কত ধনী
Both the men assume that the king is surely very rich as he owns a diamond mine. This is a very logical assumption as diamond is a very valued gem and is priced expensively.
13 minutes into the film, the king exclaims,
তোমরা তাদের আমি পুষি, তোমাদের কাজে আমি বড় খুশি।
The presupposition is something that is not stated but is more efficient than the things that are stated. We collaboratively understand what is not stated. Here we see that the king calls the ministers his pets. The term pushi is related to animals rather than humans. We understand the ministers are like homely pets, which always obeys their owner. Even if the owner is at fault, the pets do not mind. So do the ministers.
16 minutes into the film, the king questions,
এরা এখনো আসতে সাহস পায়?
Through this statement, we understand that earlier the lower class working people used to visit the king. But as time passed and the torture increased, those people stopped coming to the court. Here, the presupposition trigger is the act of questioning.
Now, 18 minutes into the film, the king says to his minister,
তাদের প্রধান কাজ রাজপথের ধারে কাছে দারিদ্র্যের যত চিহ্ন আছে সব দূর করা।
The statement contains the word poverty, which provides the knowledge that the kingdom is poverty stricken, but the signs of the same have to be removed when the visitors are visiting. The statement contains entailment, which logically follows what is asserted in an utterance.
20 minutes into the film, the king says to his ministers,
প্রথম দর্শনে বাইরের কারুর মনে সন্দেহের উদয় মোটে বাঞ্ছনীয় নয়।
The audience understands that the king tortures the people of the kingdom, which is presupposed in the statement. However, the guests who are invited by the king must not know the current situation of the kingdom and must know that the king is all for supporting the poor.
Then, a few minutes later, the king orders to shut all the schools, which presupposes that the children of the kingdom study in schools. But then the king further exclaims,
এরা যত বেশি পড়ে, তত বেশি জানে, তত কম মানে।
Here, the presupposition trigger is the verbs of judging. The king clearly indicates that if the children gain knowledge of the world, they will disobey their king and might rebel against the torture.
27 minutes into the film, the reader at the court reads out,
और पेट नाव खाई राजकौर देवा चाई।
From the semantic point of view, if A is equal to true, then B is equal to true. However, if A is equal to not true, then also B is equal to true. This establishes the consistency under negation property of presupposition. The presupposition will remain true even if the statement is negated.
After 30 minutes, we see a singer in the court who sings, দেখো ভালো জানে রইল ভাঙা ঘরে মন্দ যে সে সিংহাসনে চড়ে। The presupposition trigger here is comparison. Even if the statement is false, the bat sits on the throne is true.
Then, in continuation, he says,
সোনার ফসল ফলায় যে তার দুই বেলা জোটে না আহার।
Here, the presupposition trigger is a definite description. We clearly understand that the farmers who provide food for the people in the kingdom cannot feed themselves due to the growing taxes and low prices for their crops.
During the song,
আহা কি আনন্দ আকাশে বাতাসে,
we notice that the director tactfully shows the sky, sea, and jungle when the song says Akashe, Shomudro, ebong Oronno. He does not let the viewer presuppose anything in particular. Here we notice the concept of defeasibility, which refers to the ability of an implicature or presupposition to be cancelled.
Then, 55 minutes into the film, we see Udayan Pandit say,
তোমরা হীরার খনিটা দেখতে চাইবে।
the presupposition trigger is the implicative verb. The teacher or Pandit asks Gopi Bagha to see the diamond mine. Here the teacher tells them that they must see the diamond mine if they go there.
Then, 1 hour 21 minutes in the film, the king says,
ওরে দেখা গেছে।
Here the king implies Udayan Pandit when he says that he can see him.
Now, 1 hour 25 minutes into the film, the king says,
দেখো সোনার ফসল ফলায় যে তার দুই বেলা জোটে না আবার সোনার ফসল ফলায় যে তার দুই বেলা জোটে না আবার
পণ্ডিত মশাই, তোমারে ঠিক না করে আমার শান্তি নাই।
the presupposition trigger is a factive verb that explains the state of the mind of the speaker. The king will not rest till he manages to punish the teacher.
Then, 1 hour 46 minutes into the film, Udayan Pandit says for the king and his ministers,
অনাচার করো যদি রাজা তবে ছাড়ো গদি।
The presupposition trigger here is an implicative verb. The teacher says that the king has to give up his throne if he continues torturing people.
During the last part of the film, Udayan Pandit says, looking at the king's statue,
দড়ি ধরে মারো টান, রাজা হবে খান খান। দড়ি ধরে মারো টান, রাজা হবে খান খান। দড়ি ধরে মারো টান, রাজা হবে খান খান।
the presupposition trigger is an implicative verb. Here, the teacher tries to say that if the people of the kingdom are united against the king, then he will have to give up his throne. With our finite capabilities, we have tried to list the presuppositions we found in Hirok Raja Deshe. Knowingly or unknowingly, Ray has written the dialogues in such a way that the audience presupposes certain things with their common knowledge. The scenes are presented so perfectly that the audience does not require to contemplate or research about a scene in order to completely understand it. These features make Satyajit Ray a master of his craft.